जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 6th chapter आत्मसंयम योगमु 17th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Arjuna, in order to attain Atmadhyanam, in order to have a successful attainment in Atmadhyanam which helps you get relieved from these clutches of birth and death, for that you have to be regulated in your habits of eating, sleeping, recreation and being awake. You have to have a regulated sleep. You have to have a regulated limited food. You have to have a regulated limited recreation. That means work. You have to have a regulated limited awakeness. If you follow these regulations related to your body, then your body helps you attain Atmadhyanam successfully. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving us regulations for all of us to follow. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yuktahara viharasya yuktacheshtasya karmasu yuktasvapna avabodhasya yogo bhavati dukkhaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now, let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava." Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshit Narendra, "O Parikshit Narendra, Vidura is now saying good words to Dhritarashtra, saying that, O Raja, Devadeva Sri Krishna Paramatma, Pardhamstu Devo Bhagavan Mukundo Gruhitavan." Now that Paramatma Sri Krishna Bhagavan is supporting Pandavas, Sri Krishna Paramatma accepted Pandavas as his relatives. O Raja, e paramesu che jagamulu charachara kotito samuddipitamayye, the one who supports this entire universe, such Paramatma Sri Krishna Bhagavan is now supporting Pandavas. O Raja, all the great sages, philosophers, scholars, rishis, everyone worships Sri Krishna Paramatma, realizing that Sri Krishna Paramatma is supreme. That Sri Krishna Paramatma, that supreme Sri Krishna Bhagavan is now supporting Pandavas. O Raja, wherever Yogeshwareswara Sri Krishna Paramatma is there, whomever Sri Krishna Paramatma supports, there is going to be all wealth and all success. But now what you are doing, Raja? What you are doing is Sayesha doshaha purushadvit aste gruhan pravishtaha. You are raising your son. You are taking care of your son. Your son is an embodiment of hatredness. He has so much of hatredness to Sri Krishna Paramatma. He hates Sri Krishna Paramatma. But now you are keeping that Duryodhana in your home. Vinumu namata ni suyodhanuni vidichi kulamu rajyambu tejambu nilupavayya. O Raja Dhritarashtra, if you want your dynasty, your kingdom, if you want all these things to be safe, you have to give up your son immediately. You have to send your son out of this kingdom immediately. Like that, Vidura was saying to Dhritarashtra. Exactly at that time, Duryodhana also came there. Along with Dussasana, Sekuni, Karna, Duryodhana came there and heard everything what Vidura was suggesting to Dhritarashtra. Then Duryodhana got so much anger. Pravruddha kopaspurita dharena. His entire body was shaking with so much of anger. Then with that kind of anger, he is now saying words so that Vidura could hear that. Vidura is a great personality. Vidura is the one who is respected by the entire world. Such Vidura, now hearing words from Duryodhana saying that this Vidura is a maid son. This Vidura has no permission, no eligibility to come into our palace at all. This Vidura is living on the bread and butter that we are throwing. This Vidura is raised by us, but now he is supporting our enemies. Now, this Vidura is like a burial ground. We should not keep this burial ground Vidura in our home, in our kingdom. We have to immediately depart from this kingdom. Like that, Duryodhana was saying in front of Dhritarashtra so that Vidura could hear all these words. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Ananta Vaikunta Mukunda Krishna Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Vaktum Samardhopi Navakti Kaschit Aho Jananam Vyasanabhimukhyam Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 17th sloka. Yuktahara Viharasya Yuktacheshtasya Karmasu Yuktasvapnavabodhasya Yogo Bhavati Dukkhaha. Yuktahara Viharasya Yuktacheshtasya Karmasu Yuktasvapnavabodhasya Yogo Bhavati Dukkhaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.